Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word burdensome. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is burdensome. Let's break it down. First, we have B-U-R-D, which sounds like the bird in bird. Then comes N, which is a soft sound, like the N in sun. Finally, some, which sounds like some, but with a softer sound. Now let's put it all together. Burdensome. Try repeating after me. Burdensome. Now a little faster. Burdensome. And at full speed. Burdensome. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Burdensome refers to something that is heavy, difficult, or causes a lot of stress or hardship. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce burdensome and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.